Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Tuesday. It's good to see you. Good to have you join me here for a couple of minutes. It's Greg of GregRBear.com. And I've been gone. I usually do my video posts on Monday, my vlog posts, but Tuesday's the day. Last big weekend coming up for the summer for me, I was in the Saugatuck Douglas area with my friend Rob, and we hung out. It was the white party at the dunes, and literally it was like the toga party for the tea dance, and went to the pool, ate out some great restaurants. Clearbrook is one of my favorite restaurants. We had a really nice meal there on Saturday, and spent way too much money. But everything's good. Everything's within budget, so that, that's what counts. So I had a great time, but it's just exhausting. So what's going to happen this week is I'm just doing this post for this week because I'm leaving on Friday to go to northern Michigan, and some of you may ask, well, are you going to do any seasoning orders or anything like that? Not on this trip. I'll wait until hopefully Christmas time, and then I'll let you know. But so I got some work gigs this week, and I'm doing some LGBTQ+ consulting to kind of help my career along, because times are rough, and the LGBTQ+ community is under attack for our rights, along with transgender rights and everything else. So I am trying to rectify and do everything I can to save my career after 31 years of speaking. It just came down to our government and making a lot of different awful rules and regulations and stupid crap that is affecting a lot of our wellness for so many people. So again, if you want to book a speaker, here's one of my little flyers that I do that I'm looking forward to, but I'm working hard. So that's what I'm doing this week. So I'm just doing this one post. So I appreciate you joining me. But everything is fine. I'm just looking forward to getting away again. I know it's like a 4-day turnaround. So I'm in the middle of doing laundry right now. I got a lecture meeting in about another 2 hours. Got to get my exercise in. The weather has improved a little bit, but the humidity is awful. So probably it's a little bit terrible where you're at. So I think that's all I got going on. It usually happens that I'll forget stuff. One of the things, I want you to look at these photos. This is from the pool party, just the pool on Saturday and Sunday at the dunes. Beautiful place. And a couple other pictures I'm going to share with you. And this one is at Penny Royal, where Rob and I had our brunchy brunch, our breakfast, that's what we call it, on Monday before we left. Really great place. They make all their own stuff. It's organic. But we sat at the little bar in front of where they cook and everything because it was really busy. But we had a breakfast, a little pricey for my budget, but it was really good. It was really, really good, so you can check that out. A lot of places in that Saugatuck Douglas area Monday are closed because they work their butts off, during the whole weekend. So I know like the Southerner was open, but my friend's gluten-free and dairy-free, so it was a struggle. And Happy Stance is open, great place in Douglas. So a few other places. So that's what we did. It was a good time, so check that out. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Again, if your company, corporation, school, anything is looking for a speaker September, October, and onward, look me up. Please, I got a great program. It's time we bring people together. We're struggling. People are angry and sad and confused. And I think it's great that public speakers can come out and bring folks together in solidarity and maybe answer some questions and give people guidance and connection. And that's what it's all about. That's my soapbox moment. Subscribe, like, and share. I will see you next week. It'll probably be midweek when I post. I'll be doing some smaller things along the way. But it's a busy, week coming up. So you'll see me next week. Love to hear from you. As always, take care, be a good human being. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.